Build your system the way you want with MILWAUKEE PACKOUT XL Toolbox, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. The XL Toolbox is a high-capacity toolbox and features an extra-large depth that allows you to store larger tools and materials. The XL Toolbox has a 100-pound weight capacity. The removable tray keeps you organized while out on the job. With an impact-resistant body, metal-reinforced corners, and an IP65 rating, this PACKOUT XL Toolbox is built to survive the toughest of job site conditions. MILWAUKEE PACKOUT revolutionizes the way you transport, organize, and store your tools on and off the job site. PACKOUT is the first system providing true modularity, allowing you to store and transport boxes, organizers, tool bags, and more in any configuration that works for you. The MILWAUKEE PACKOUT XL Toolbox, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system.